Anyanyo dhasataha asangatihi jivo atra purushaha. Now this Anyonya Dhyas we have seen in our 6th chapter very clearly. Example given was, take a ball of iron and put it in the fire for 5-6 hours. And thereafter take it out by your hand. Then you will realize what is the Anyonya Dhyas. The iron is black, it borrows the color of the fire and becomes red. See? The fire has no weight, but it borrows the weight of the iron and it becomes heavy. So what is a fireball? Fireball is red, hot, heavy. Now the red hotness is borrowed from the fire and the heaviness is borrowed from the iron. And then it becomes real. Exactly the same way. The conditioned expression in the mirror, the reflection, and the face, they are brought together, and an ignorant person thinks that what is seen in the mirror is real. This is Anyonyadhyas. See, friends. Therefore, what we do, we take being the pure conscious existence, I am eternal. And because expressing through the limitation of the Vijnanamaya Kosha, therefore I am Jiva. And then put together, Jiva is eternal, Jiva is real. See? This is Anyonyadhyasa, Dhista Jivaha Atra Purushaha. You know what happens in our understanding or in our inquiry is what is said in the 6th verse. Sadhishthano vimokshado jivo adhikriyate natu kevalo niradhishthana vibhrantehe kapya siddhitaha. Sa adhisthanaha vimokshado jivaha atra adhikriyate natu kevalaha. So when we talk about the jiva, we should not talk about the jiva without the foundation substratum of the asanga kutastha chaitanya. So when we talk about husband, can we delete the man from the husband? See, man can exist without becoming husband, but husband cannot exist without being a man. See, friends. Now between these two, husband and a man, what is the reality is the man, but then the husband starts taking that husband is the real, and therefore he will try and struggle to prove something. See? And it can never succeed. Therefore, sadhisthano vimokshado jiva atraha adhikriyate. So when we talk about the jiva, what is the jiva? We have to take into account the substratum conscious blissful existence. And natu kevalaha. And don't take the reflection in the mirror as the ultimate. No. Reflection has no existence without the mirror and the face. In the same manner, the husband has no existence without the wife and the man. So also, Jiva has no existence without the Paramatma and the conditioning of the Vijnanamaya Kosha. And therefore, we have to take into account that the Jiva is with the Adhisthana. See, this is important. Loss and gain is possible if something is real. How important it is. Now why this question comes? Because we are trying to understand the Jiva independent of the Kutastha Chaitanya, independent of Paramatma. Like without being a man, you cannot be a husband, father, brother, etc. In the same manner, without being the divine conscious blissful existence, you cannot be a Jiva. But then what happens? The Jiva Bhava we take real. And we have forgotten our own divine nature. And this has gone so deep in our system. See, friends, therefore, these simple things, the real spiritual practice is first, freedom from body identification. Second, freedom from the notion that we are a jiva. And when these two things are removed, what remains is the substratum. And therefore, it is said in our scriptures, the truth is revealed. To whom it is not said.